Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study here.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I love it.
How long are you here?
For 8 months.
Can I have your number?
Yes, it's 65665123
Where do you live?
I live near the school.
Do you live alone?
No, with my friend.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
What time is it?
It's 8:30 a.m.
What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
What's the date?
It's August 25th.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7:30 a.m.
Do you get up early?
Yes, every day.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, at 8 a.m.
What do you eat?
Toast and coffee.
What time do you leave home?
At 8:30 a.m.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
What time do classes start?
They start at 9 a.m.
How many classes today?
I have 4 classes.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 12:30.
Where do you eat lunch?
In the cafeteria.
What time do you go home?
At 3 p.m.
What do you do at night?
I study and watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Are you tired now?
A little tired.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I rest.
Do you have a big family?
No, it's small.
How many people?
4 people.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, 1 brother.
Do you have sisters?
No, no sisters.
How old is your brother?
He's 18 years old.
What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
What about your mother?
She's a nurse.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you call them?
Yes, every week.
Do you have friends here?
Yes, a few friends.
Are they students too?
Yes, from different countries.
What do you do together?
We study and have fun.
Do you go out together?
Yes, on weekends.
Where do you go?
To restaurants and movies.
Are they nice?
Yes, very nice.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite food?
I like pasta.
Do you cook?
Yes, simple things.
Can you cook? Well,
Not really. I'm learning.
what did you eat today?
Sandwich and salad.
Do you like spicy food?
Not too hot for me.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need water.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
How do you like it?
With milk and sugar.
Do you drink tea?
Sometimes green tea.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, especially apples.
What about vegetables?
I like carrots.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, but not much.
Are you vegetarian?
No, but I eat healthy.
Where do you buy food?
At the supermarket.
Do you eat out often?
No, I cook at home.
What's for dinner tonight?
I don't know yet.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. No, it's nice.
Is it cold?
No, it's nice.
Is it raining?
No, but cloudy.
Do you need a jacket?
No, it's warm enough.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Why do you like spring?
Everything is green.
Do you like summer?
Yes, but too hot.
What about winter?
It's okay. I like snow.
Do you like rain?
Sometimes it's peaceful.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, in my bag.
What's the temperature?
About 20 degrees.
Is it windy?
A little windy.
Will it rain tomorrow?
I don't know.
Do you check the weather?
Yes, on my phone.
What should I wear?
Light clothes today.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Are you sick?
No, I'm healthy.
Do you have a headache?
No, I'm fine.
Are you tired?
A little tired.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk daily.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I prefer walking.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Are you sad?
No, I'm okay.
Are you worried?
No, not really.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes with exams.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, all cards.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here you are.
Is there a sale?
Yes, 30% off.
When does it end?
Next week.
Can I return this?
Yes, within 30 days.
Where do I pay?
At the cashier.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
Where's the bus stop?
Around the corner.
How much is the fare?
$3.
How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
How do I get there?
Go straight, then left.
Is it far?
Number 5 minutes.
Can you show me?
Yes, follow me.
Where's the bathroom?
Down the hall.
Where's the nearest bank?
Next to the post office.
How do I get to downtown?
Take bus number 5.
Where's the hospital?
On one avenue.
Is there a pharmacy near?
Yes, across the street.
Where can I eat?
Tries a cafe nearby.
How do I get home?
Same way you came.
Can you draw a map?
Sure, here you go.
Is this the right way?
Yes, keep going.
Am I lost?
No, you're close.
Thank you for directions.
No problem.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
Business and English.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you like your classes?
Yes, very much.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. John.
Is she nice?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you have homework?
Yes, every day.
How much homework?
About 2 hours.
When is your exam?
Yes, soccer on TV.
Do you draw or paint?
No, I'm not artistic.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my phone.
Do you travel?
When I have money,
Where do you want to go?
to many places.
Do you play games?
Sometimes on my phone.
What do you do weekends?
Relax and meet friends.
Do you stay home much?
Yes, I like it quiet.
Are you bored often?
No, I always find something.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, a smartphone.
Do you use it often?
Yes, too much.
What do you use it for?
Calls, texts, internet.
No problem.
Are you free tonight?
Yes, I'm free.
Do you want to go out?
Sure. Where?
How about dinner?
That sounds good.
What time?
How about 8 p.m.?
Where should we meet?
At the restaurant.
Do you know a good place?
Yes, I know one.
What kind of food?
Italian or Chinese?
I like both.
Let's try Italian.
Should I make a reservation?
Yes, good idea.
What's your phone number?
5889876.
I'll call you later.
Okay, sounds good.
What if it rains?
We'll eat inside.
Should I bring anything?
No, just yourself.
How will you get there?
I'll take a taxi.
Can I give you a ride?
That would be great.
I'll pick you up at 7:30.
Perfect. See you then.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
It'll be fun.
I think so too.
Don't be late.
I won't, I promise.
See you tonight.
See you later.